This cattery is a 5-tier cattery with a hammock, a dome enclosure, and a high perch platform. There are plenty of sizzle rope covered scratching posts for your furry friends to dig their claws in. The tree comes in a box with each accessory clearly labeled with a letter, and it comes with easy to follow instructions and tools. The base of the cattery is 24 by 24 inches and it's 65 inches high. This cattery from Armarkat provides some lovely features such as toys for fun and exercising. The soft hammock and dome enclosure provides some well-needed hideaway snuggles. The multiple platforms are so soft and much appreciated by my cat. The scratching posts are covered with good quality sizzle rope that Sushi loves scratching. The length of the scratching post is just right. Sushi thinks that the dome enclosure is perfect for some snoozing time. My cat's favorite is definitely the top perch. He just loves sleeping high up. It's a safe place where he can retreat and we know not to disturb him. All in all, it's a very well built and sturdy cattery at an affordable price. It's probably not suitable for very large cats and big breeds, such as Maine Coons, but my cat is just above 5 kilograms and it suits him perfectly well. The reason we chose the Armarkat A6501 is that its smaller base enables it to fit snugly into the corner of our living room, while still having enough height and different types of platforms for our cat to fully enjoy. As you can see, Sushi couldn't wait to climb up and test it. To read the full review, visit the link below this video.